How to add payment gateway on Godaddy website. So this is a simple easy guide on how to add payment gateway on Godaddy website. So first you need to log into your site right here, log in your account here in Godaddy, tap your profile at the top right corner, go to products. Here on products, you have to scroll down and then look for websites plus marketing and then click this manage button right here, tap this one. Now what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look for stores, tap stores right here. And then on stores, what you're going to do next is you have to click the settings option, tap this one. Okay, now under settings, you will see options and one of the options is payments. So what you're going to do here in order for you to add payment gateway on Godaddy website is you just have to simply connect your payment method right here. For example, PayPal. So I have connected my PayPal here. If I want to disconnect, just tap disconnect. If you want to tap settings and then add another PayPal account, then you can do that. You can also enable accept offline payments. What you're going to do is you have to click this one, add information, for example, bank account, and then more instruction. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to click the save button. So basically that's it. You can add payment method through this. You can enable, you can add bank account if you want, and add more instruction information about that. So basically that's how easy it is to add payment gateway on Godaddy website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.